Left hand ball, it is for Nampaya man. What an execution advance from Nampaya man. Left both side. Now Mike is a chance once again. Now
यहाँ एक शेर है तो दूसरा सवा शेर है। देखना है कौन सी टीम यहाँ से जीत हासिल करती है। इसका जर्सी में दीपक महाकुड़, सिंघू माटी 7 नंबर के जर्सी में, 6 नंबर के जर्सी में अभी मुकाबला में चलिए आगाज हो चुका है। इस मैदान का सबसे बड़ा मुकाबला इस साल के इस टूर्नामेंट में, इस फिक्सचर में। थोड़ा बहुत दबाव बनाएंगे यहाँ पर का बीसा, यहाँ पर बाएं पैर से बीसा भी हो सकता है ध्रुव सोरेन के लिए बॉल को खेलते हुए। और क्या टीम नजर आ रहा दोनों छोड़ा। विकास मोरा भी बॉल के ऊपर, ये कोई काम नहीं करते, अधूरा करते हैं पूरा। आप इनको जब देखेंगे खेलते हुए तो उसका अंदाजा हो जाएगा आपको। साथ साथ काफी जल्दी वहां पर क्लियरेंस देने का प्रयास करते हुए उस जगह में रितेश, और अभी काफी जल्दी लक्ष्मण लोहार क्या कुछ कर पाएंगे। अभी रंजीत देखते हुए सामने की ओर साधु मांडी की तलाश में, लेकिन जल्दी आ जाएगा नागामाझी। वो भी गोलकीपर है, लेकिन दोनों गोलकीपर्स के लिए और डिफेंडर्स के लिए थोड़ा बहुत शिद्दत कर सकते हैं जो स्ट्राइकर्स है, लेकिन डिफेंडर भी उनसे ज्यादा ताकतवर है। कि गोल करना उतना आसान होगा नहीं होगा, लेकिन जो भी एक गोल की बढ़त बनाएगी उसके पास सबसे पहला एक एडवांटेज रहेगा। एक ज्यादातर अगर मैं बात करूं अभी यहाँ पे बाएं ओर से ऑफसाइड पोजीशन में मौजूद है, थोड़ा सा पास अभी आराम देंगे। ड्रोन कैमरा का थोड़ा सा व्यूज कुछ नजर आ रहा है, आप थोड़ा सा उस चीज को ड्रोन को थोड़ा सा आप उस जगह में रोकेंगे। One of the biggest match in the fixture. Now the Rangers left at the bowler Sunil Munda from the right flank. The cross was blocked. Brilliantly that was. Good bit of defending initially. Somehow clears the goal. Salim just wanted to take the goal once again. That was quickly played back. Gamia Samad looking for Bhai Dronda. Now Abhi on the ball. Might be the chance, can able to take that shot. Good bit of block. Clearance from Kuman Singh. ड्रोन को थोड़ा आप बंद करेंगे, वो कमेटी की ओर से आपको विशेष आग्रह है। नागा couldn't able to find his man. Somehow Salim gets back, gets the ball. The star against the stars, and this is the Avengers Endgame surely. Good control and the clearance. Get to the ball. Now दोनों interestingly not much to find about. First time that was played from Gamia Samad. Gamia just wanted to play one touch football. Somehow the clearance once again comes from Kuman Singh. Your thoughts, Manoj? We are seeing everything. All the players has been assembled. All the stars has been available. It looks like this is a Star Wars surely in the context of the match. Yeah, definitely. The way they are just trying to put some pressure. The way they are just trying to create some pressure. With the opponent, definitely it is so commendable. Bobby is on the position, another multi-talented player of the team now. He could have target ball, a quickly to the team match. And suddenly the clearance happened by the defensive once again. Rakesh goes once again on the position, number 10 now moving. On the position, outstanding. Lovely block that was from the defender. Once again, now Ranjit Mandi, the highlight player of the team once again now. Just he played for Vijay, not for Sadhu Mandi. And just taking that he will go for the Sadhu Mandi, but it was forced straight to the Vijay. Once again, who just hits the ball position. Lofted ball, and this will be taken by the goalkeeper Mongala. And straight to the left defender Laxman. Lohar. Great ball towards but it was red clearance. Once again, Gomea played for number 6. There was Vakis once again, and now number 10. Vakis go off. The shot will comes. Definitely. But it was not a challenging one, easy take. It was for Mongala. The tall man just grabbed that ball with the perfection. There was no hesitation by the Mongala. Ranjit Mandi played for Gurachand Mandi, the midfielder. Well, switch it to the Vijay. Vijay through the right flank, just looking for an assist. Good ball, good pass. Wonderful good ones. Luckily, good block by Dhanu. He was just trying to give that ball to the Vikas Mora once again. Another cross, but it has been cleared away by Sivok Kanwa. The defender of the team now once again, Ranjit Mandi. It can be an opportunity once again. This could be a chance. Vikas Mora once again, left the ball, and now left the cross it was. Little close over there by the targeted player, that is why. Nicely served by center referee once again. Now we can see Santosh Kumar outside Nagamaji. As you can see, is going to strike. The goalkeeper himself is taking the shot, but it was straight to the number 11. Rajesh, the young talented. With a lovely cutter now, looking for an assist. Number 10, Rakesh Go, played for his teammate Singhu Mandi. Great header comes from an offside flag. It is from assistant referee. Offside call. Offside flag, and it was from assistant referee. That is why he couldn't able to go ahead. Now Laxman Lohar just moving gradually towards that offensive end. And now it is for Ranjit Mandi through the left. Now just passes towards Rajesh. He couldn't able to take the ball initially. Just a clearance happened by the tall man. Now Ranjit Mandi played for Laxman Lohar once again. Sadhu Mandi. Sadhu अभी तक चैलेंज नहीं चला है. अभी है यहाँ पर साधु का ड्रिबलिंग, लेकिन यहाँ पर कर लिया है साधु को काबू. काफी बढ़िया डिफेंडर ने और विपक्षी दल के खिलाड़ी ने बहुत ही बढ़िया पिछली ओवर मिला है. मिलान चुरुको मिलान कांति फिर से यहाँ विकास पूरा खेले हैं अभी गुमान सिंह के लिए. गुमान सिंह थोड़ा सा वक्त लेते हुए वहां से गेंद को रिलीज करेंगे विकास पूरा के लिए. रोकेंगे वहां पर दानों ने बहुत ही बढ़िया चलिए यहाँ पर टक्कर बराबर का चलता हुआ. यहाँ पर काफी कमाल का ये मुकाबला दोनों टीमों में. जैसे कि मेरे सहयोगी कमेंटेटर या कि मेरे साथी कमेंटेटर बोल रहे हैं कि भाई यहाँ पर दोनों टीम में काफी अच्छे खिलाड़ी है, दिग्गज खिलाड़ी है. ये टक्कर काफी बढ़िया होने वाला था. ये पहले से ही सूचना हम लोग दे चुके हैं दोनों कमेंटेटर. इसलिए यहाँ पर 5 नंबर वहां पर खेलते हुए मेरे साथी खिलाड़ी बहुत शांत एक्सपीरियंस रहा व्यवहार साथ अभी सेटर मांग रहे गुमान सिंह तो अभी पहुंचे नहीं था राकेश को. लगाए हैं और आखिरकार यहाँ पर एक फाउल फ्री किक मिलेगा. This is what we are thinking about. That one goal is definitely going to put little bit of pressure on the opponent. Now that was good bit of takeoff. He on the ball, try to hit the ball towards the goal post. A bit of block. Now Sadhu Mandi on the ball. Sadhu. We can see some kind of Sadhu magic by setting 2 players and
gets the ball back. Gomya Samad on the ball. Extra 2 minutes has been added up to the first half time. Now might be the chance once again. Now extra 2 minutes added. 2 goals for Jit
मंजिल की ओर से साधु गौरा चांद के लिए विकास मोरा, ये दोनों रीढ़ के हड्डी। अगर मैं बात करूं मिडफील्ड में जिस प्रकार से खेलेंगे उस हिसाब से उनकी टीम खेलेगी, जिस प्रकार से तालमेल बिठाएंगे उनके डिफेंडर्स और उनके ऑफेंस के साथ, उस प्रकार से कुछ हो सकता है। लक्ष्मण लोहार यहाँ पे लोहा मनवाने के लिए अभी तो रंजीत माटी भी यहाँ पाए और से धीरे धीरे बॉल को लेकर आगे आए हैं। खतरे की घंटी शुरुआती क्षण में ही बजाने के प्रयास, समय के लिए यहाँ पर संभल कर खेलना होगा। 2 गोल से पिछड़ रहे हैं, अगर और एक गोल हुआ तो वहां से वापसी का रास्ता लगभग बंद नजर आएगा। यहाँ पर रंजीत माटी यहाँ पर सीधा नाला के पास, किसी प्रकार का कोई दिक्कत नहीं। 2 goals. Do you think this is enough? 2 goals should be enough, like team Jeet Manjit. But in the other hand, can they able to find that one quick goal in the second half that will decide the tempo of the game, and the intensity is always there. They are thinking, they are doing, but they are not getting that kind of results as far as the team RB Ranger FC Orissa is concerned. Mogla Murmu is taking his time, but very rightly, Manoj, I can assure you, these 2 goals should be enough for team like Jeet Manjit 11. Yeah, definitely. Deepakma just played push, he made a selected ball, but it was nicely headed away by Vinal. 2 ball behind from the Jeet Manjit, and Clark can stop him. Outside the flying that was from assistant referee, just Sadhu Mandi approaching, was just approaching dangerously. Towards the ball, but the flag has just stopped him over there. Now this red team now just playing along to get there. Congratulations to it first. Let's see who will be able to convert initially. It is for Gorachan Mandi now played for Vikas Mura. And the ball, good ball, it is for the second goal scorer. This is Hamron. Clearance, first by number 4, but we can see who was it is 2 instance. It is for Jeet Manjit on 11. Sadhu Mandi, who gets the ball position once again. Sadhu, still Sadhu Mandi. Look at him, just taking a little bit while. Once again, taking a little time once again until now. He was just penetrating. But nicely blocked by defender. Hand to clearance happened by once again Mainal. Now Lakshman Lohar played for Ranjit Mati. To the left hand now, just trying to put some pressure. But it was once again mispass happened by Rajesh. The 2 chance, it is once again 14. On to Victor FC Orissa. They are just 2 goals behind from their opponents. Romia Samad played for number 6. And he could be able to keep that ball control over there. Ranjit Mandi from Jeet Manjit on 11. FC left hand ball, it is for number 11. Execution, it was from number 11. Lovely ball, this is such